There are dozens of air fryers on the market, but nothing comes close to this. Gourmia's top-of-the-line air fryers are more than just a cut above. They set the new standard. Let's see why. The Gourmia GAF678 air fryer oven is packed with features that others can't touch. At an extra large 7 quarts, it's one of the largest you'll find. And the large window lets you monitor while cooking. Nice! Its 10 cooking modes and 8 presets include rotisserie and dehydration functions. And this included 11-piece accessory kit opens the door to hundreds of recipes. Let's try one. The garlic chipotle fried chicken. Our presets make it virtually foolproof. In about 20 short minutes, voila! Whether you're new to air frying or an old pro, there's no better way to fry than with Gourmia.